Insert the corrupt storage device. Look, the storage device is not showing its storage capacity, and when I try to open the device, it is not opened. To repair the corrupt device, you can download BootIce software. Go to a browser, search for BootIce, and click on the first website. Download the BootIce software. Extract the archive file and open the BootIce software. In BootIce software, select the corrupt storage device and click on the Parts Management option. In Partition Management, click on the Repartitioning option. A dialog box is opened. Here, in Disk Mode, select the USB HDD mode option and click OK. After that, your storage device is automatically formatted. Now close the software. Now in this PC, go to the corrupt drive, double-click and click on Format Disk option. After that, your storage device is repaired.